Ever feel like no matter how hard you work, you're still broke at the end of the month? It's not always about how much you earn. Sometimes it's about the money habits quietly draining your wallet. In this video, we're breaking down 10 everyday money habits that might be keeping you poor and what you can do to change them. Let's get straight into it. 1. Living beyond your means. You spend more than you earn. It might be shopping, constant takeouts, or upgrading to the newest gadgets. Even if your income goes up, your expenses rise with it. That cycle keeps you broke. Solution: track your expenses and build a budget. Live below your means. Spend less than you make. 2. Not saving consistently. You save only when there's money left at the end of the month, but usually there's nothing left. Solution: treat savings like a bill. Pay yourself first, every paycheck. Even small amounts add up over time. 3. Using credit cards for wants, not needs. You swipe for everything: clothes, coffee, gadgets, and only pay the minimum. Interest piles up. You end up paying double. Solution: only use credit when necessary, and always pay the full balance to avoid interest. 4. Not investing your money. You think saving is enough, but your money loses value due to inflation. It sits there, not growing. Solution: learn about basic investing. Index funds, retirement accounts, or mutual funds. Let your money grow over time. 5. Ignoring financial education. You don't take time to learn about money, so you keep repeating the same mistakes. Solution: watch videos, read books, listen to finance podcasts. Just 10 minutes a day can make you smarter with money. 6. Depending on one source of income. You rely only on your job, but if you lose it, you're stuck. One income equals more risk. Solution: start a side hustle, freelance, or explore passive income ideas. Multiple income streams build real security. 7. Not having an emergency fund. Emergencies will happen. Without savings, you go into debt or stress out. Solution: start building an emergency fund. Even $500 to start can be a safety net. Aim for 3 to 6 months of expenses. 8. Trying to impress others. You buy things to look rich: expensive clothes, the latest phone, fancy cars. But none of that builds wealth. Solution: focus on growing your money, not showing off. Real wealth is silent. Let your bank account do the talking. 9. Avoiding a budget. You don't track your money. At the end of every month, you wonder where it all went. Solution: create a simple budget. Know what comes in, what goes out, and where it goes. A budget gives you control. 10. Procrastinating. Financial goals. You keep saying you'll start saving or investing next month, but next month never comes. Solution: start small, but start today. Even a little progress is better than none. Time is your biggest money tool. Final message: if this video helped you understand what's keeping you broke, don't keep it to yourself. Like the video, drop a comment with your biggest takeaway, and share it with someone who needs to hear this. Your support helps the channel grow and reach more people who need it.